Hello everyone, welcome to Revit family next video in which we talk about revolve command. Okay, and how you can use this. We'll see how you can use this. So let's start. Revolve is actually a shape. There is a axis line. According to that axis line, you can revolve this shape in 360 degree in such a way that it becomes solid object. Okay, how it will be done, I will show you. You can see I have this reference plane. First select the revolve command. From here you can select the revolve command. After selecting the revolve command, let's create a random shape to make you understand. Okay, so suppose I take this line, and here you will see boundary line and axis line. You will see two things, one is boundary line and axis line. I have to create the boundary line, so I have taken here, and let's create the boundary line. Here I have created the boundary line. You can see here I have created the boundary line. Okay, now I have to revolve this to 360 degree. For that I have to select the axial line. So click here on the axis line, and you can select the axis line. Suppose I have to show this one as an axis line. Suppose this one I have to show this line as an axis line. Check this axis line, and you can create by here pick line or line. So we have taken the line and just create the axis line here. Okay, now go in 3D. We have to revolve around this axis line. Okay, to make it finish, it will revolve according to the, you can see, go in graphic realistic view. You can see this one, it's table like shape. Okay, let's take some other example. Okay, go delete it, and this time we do in different way. So first we have to select the revolve. Okay, now we just set the work plane, pick a line. Okay, now create the boundary. Let's create some boundary here. Okay, now take the axis line from here, go in 3D, finish it. Now you will see it's little bit different. In this way you can use this revolve command. Okay, this is how you can create object by using this revolve command. This much for today. In next video we will talk about sweep command. Okay, thank you for watching the video. See you in the next video.